YouTube channel. This is Siona Fernandez here. If you're new here, and welcome to my vlog, a very new vlog on what happens today in my life. So, hope you all are doing well. I'm doing good. Just the morning sickness hitting me here. So I am now leaving for college, but before that, I've just worn like my clothing because I always. Usually I thought that if I want to start the vlog in the morning, but as soon as I wake up, but then I thought, what if I run late? So it's on the safer side that I, dress up and then start with the vlog. And I am having my breakfast here. If you can see, this is what I'm having, the green gram. Not actually a breakfast person. I can't have it in the morning, but because I'll have to go to such a long distance, that's the reason. Only reason I tried to have something. It's better than going empty stomach. So I have my college bus at 8. I'll have to leave here around 7:50 or something. So just having my breakfast, and then I will comb my hair, get ready, and then leave for college. So it is first me who will be leaving this house to college or school, then Cyrus, and then Chris. Cyrus is having leave today because they have like 2 Saturdays leave, and Chris is over here doing his assignment, writing his assignment. That is Kannada assignment. So when these are free in the evenings and nights, these waste time, and the only time they want to write his assignment is morning. Grab everyone's phone and start writing, isn't it? He's got his volleyball match today after a very long time. It's Independence Cup, I think. He doesn't know where it is. So even I had plans, like in case I'm done with the college, because Saturday half day, I would want to go there, but let's see what happens. And for them it's just more like a practice match because it's under 16. These are 12, 13, but gaining practice, playing with other players is nothing bad, isn't it, Chris?
Huh?
Isn't it?
What?
The age group doesn't matter. It's for
It does.
not to win, but for your experience. I mean, what to
You've
say?
already experienced it.
But it's fine. You should go. All the best for your match,
Yeah.
and all the best to complete your assignment.
I guess it's much
Yeah. So anyway, guys, I will quickly have my breakfast because I don't want to miss on the bus that is there. Cheers. Bye. Come on. Bye, Cruz. Bye, people. Bye, Dada. We do have a lot of free time in college, at least for this week, so that's the reason I just carried a novel and I was busy reading it till we had our classes on.
Later that same evening.
Hello, good evening, people. I am back, but I had half day of
I
my
thought you were
college.
not back.
What? So I reached home around 2. It will be almost I have college till 1, so when I reach it will be 2:15, 2:30, and I don't know, probably because I woke up early, or I don't know what caused. I had severe headache, so I took a nap, and now we are off to buy some things for my college. Like I want some books and some few stuff which I will let you guys know on the way. Me and Cyrus are actually going, but this guy over here who eats a lot of junk.
Huh? I only asked for Balaji.
Yeah,
That
Balaji
today.
is.
After many months.
We love Balaji because number 1, it has a great taste. Number 2 is because of the quantity. It is a lot as compared to Lay's. Please ignore if my face is swollen. That is because I slept a lot or slept less. So he wants Balaji. So we'll be taking him on the way. I will buy Balaji for him and drop him back. Not dropping him back home. That we'll see later.
Ice cream.
We'll see later after we come. So now.
Ice cream.
कितना बड़ी सांगता है?
Ice cream.
सांगता match चालू. Oh, by the way, regarding his volleyball match, boy lost.
So
He doesn't even know.
against under
He
17
doesn't even know
members.
against whom.
Against under 17 members. That's all I know.
But it's fine. You all played well. Let's go. We are late. What I had in mind was to go at 4, around 4. But then my brother was out. I guess he went out for his friend's birthday party or something.
Correct.
So we No, Ray. Then he went for choir practice. So it's 7th. And now we are going. Push, bye. Can't hear. Today was not a lucky day for Chris because all the Balaji wafers that were there were empty. So we had to settle down with bingo. For Chris and Mama, I am not really hungry, so I didn't buy. So guys, the first place where we are going is to Kalpana Book House to get my textbook. So for my subject, it's somewhat related to medical. So for the textbooks, if anyone is looking for textbooks, I'm just suggesting y'all because my friend suggested the same to me at Kalpana Book House that is in Maklankata. They do sell the second-hand books, so buying new books is really expensive. So you can check out. I'm not promoting, but just giving or sharing my information with y'all because never know, at some point it might help some of you as well. The place is a bit tricky to be found on maps, so there is Lenskart and Jose Lucas, and right in between them is the Kalpana bookshop. So they not just sell books for the second-hand price or a half price, but also if you've got any books, you can just sell them over there. Maybe it will help a lot of people, and you can see the collection. There are so many books here. I have got my textbook, guys. Here it is, and now just going back. So on the way, I want slippers, so what I will tell you all later, but we will be getting Zudio on the way, and there is sale. I saw the board, so planning of going to Zudio and checking out this sale. I think I was very late to the sale because most of the pieces were out of stock and the sizes weren't available too. Mostly it was all the small and 36 sizes that were available. We are out from Zudio, you guys, and the reason as to why I did want slippers is because the department that I am in, it's a very sterile condition, so you are not allowed to put your footwear inside, and my class, my practicals, everything is in the department, inside the department itself. So we have to maintain separate footwear inside and outside. So even barefoot, I am not really sure, but they did tell us to maintain separate footwear. So that's the reason. It's a very simple reason, nothing complex. And since it is weekend, it's time for some ice cream. So me and Cyrus are just going to Papa's. Definitely not for dining because 3 other people are at home. So we are parceling ice cream and enjoying our weekend. Watching Olympics, that is powerlifting, and some of them are having their lunch over here. Oh shit, guys, my brain isn't functioning at the moment. Today we have my brother's favorite vegetable for lunch as well as dinner. Did you even see what it is?
Yeah. What is it? Ladies and
On the count of 3.
Ladies finger and prawns curry. My mom says it's chumma. The curry is chumma, but I don't like prawns. I don't like ladies finger. My sibling also doesn't like. So I'm not going to taste nor eat. The chumma curry is here. Kalama ustura pura kawailai. Eh. Then farache. Oh, listen to share. Is it good than normal? Because she told me it's not the usual way, usual way that she prepares. She saw some different recipe and she prepared it.
Yeah, ladies finger and kali ajib.
Ladies finger is always ajib. I don't like ladies finger because of that slimy layer. It is very and I don't like prawns because I like only few prawns. I don't know. It has to taste good. Sometimes it tastes bad. For me, it's my preference. Nema.
A few moments later.
Ice cream time now. Kale. This person here has lost his voice since past 10 days. And none of the medications. Mama, shoo! Poor Dadakshu as Mamakshu. Poor Dadak, Poncha vlog and Dadakshu as Mamakshu. Shoo. Okay, so, Maka Kalam, Maka Udas yellow. Okay, my dad has lost his voice since last 10 days, and now none of the medications work. So now he feels that only ice cream can make it better. I don't know as to what extent, but this is him.
Mama samutidda.
काल डराले तमिळले आता परतून आता इल्ले इतले म्हणे हा
I am the one away doctor.
या हाफ MBBS डॉक्टर
Joke बरं.
वय इतले ताळो आल्ले आता काय असा ना पाल्या पळिया
Nana, sama away just kere.
काले
Munu de piyatana na. Shalauda piyalo. Talo sama in the middle.
guys. So my dad has to say that hot water didn't help him. Cold water is helping him. And so today he's eating ice cream. In the next vlog, you guys will get to know what will happen to him. What is the result? Then I will definitely share it with you guys. If there is something wrong with the throat or something, then you will not have to take hot items, but instead consume cold items. But not now. Let's wait. The experiment on him. Why? Mom doesn't deny on that fact. मी तर काही गेले आता मी सन्मितान आलोय ना ड्रामा करणं
डडा नव्हते सांग
आईस्क्रीम दे आमकां आता
कळलं
दी
कसाने
मागीर घाले डडा ठेवले केक प्लीज प्लीज
Bible de moda mundona.
हांवें न्ही सायरे सांग ओके ब्रो सो इट्स अ चेंज इट्स परफेक्ट हियर परफेक्ट देर मॉम वॉन्टेड गडबड बट द मोमेंट डैड सेड ही वांट्स परफेक्ट इवन शी स्विच टू परफेक्ट एनीवेज गाइस इवन आई एम हैविंग माय ice cream now, even I am perfect. Oh. I know, right? Mama is copycat. See, even you wore that t-shirt. Even she's trying to be similar to that. She has no words. Anyway, guys, Mama, screen समय था. करी रे बहुता ही. तुत्ते ताई प्रेमान, not me. Bodybuilder, body. Wait. Time to end the vlog here. If you did like this vlog, a short and a sweet vlog, then make sure you like and share this vlog and subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell icon to receive updates from my channel. Bye bye.
Bye, good night.
Bye, good night. Bye.